Let's talk about the best virtual mailbox services for online business. So whether you're selling digital products or physical products, here's a review I want you to really pay attention to if you're looking for the best virtual mailbox services for online business. Number 10, you have Virtual Post Mail, VPM, our score, 8.6 over 10. So when you think about VPM, I want you to think about a service that's great for online business in terms of flexibility. So basically, this organization gives you a permanent street address to use as your online postal mailbox, and you'll get any package sent to this address as the package relates to your online business. And VPM makes it easy for anyone to receive your goods and services delivered to you anywhere. This is really good. So this is kind of cool, especially if you are, let's say you are living overseas and you are basically running an online business from wherever you are currently located at. So this is kind of cool. And we love the flexibility. We love the scalability of this service. So whether you have one online business or two online businesses or many more, you can still use VPM, not a problem. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Number 9, you have physical address. Our score, 8.8 over 10. So physical address is a great provider for virtual mailbox services for online business. What we love about physical address is that it is cloud-based. So basically, no matter where you are located, you can actually log into your account and really monitor everything. So it's a cloud-based virtual mailbox and virtual mailing address service provider for online business. So you can access your mail across your computer, mobile, and tablet devices. So again, talking about scalability and also flexibility, physical address will take care of you, not a problem. And so you can actually choose your preferred shipping method and track your packages online. So you can store mail and packages for up to 30 days for free. So that's one thing we love about physical address, this ability to store mail for 30 days, up to 30 days for free. This is really good. And they also offer a virtual office service in some selected locations in the US. So if you are looking for a virtual office service also, this is, you can think about physical address, not a problem. Number 8, you have Sasquatch Mail. Our score, 8.9 over 10. So Sasquatch Mail is a mail forwarding provider with virtual addresses in Florida, Delaware, California, Idaho, Illinois, and Wyoming. So they are in those 6 states, and they actually offer mail scanning, forwarding, and virtual office services for online business. And packages can be forwarded to any location with no postage deposit. They also provide free shredding and recycling. So as any package relates to your online business, well, Sasquatch Mail will take care of it, not a problem. So you have virtual office services, also including a lease for incorporating your online business. You have unlimited recipients for your address, and you have low-cost entry point that's really suitable for those who need fewer scans. So this is really fantastic. So when you think about Sasquatch Mail, think about flexibility, but also think about operational effectiveness for your online business. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about the best virtual mailbox services for online business. Number 7, you have Traveling Mailbox, our score, 9.1 over 10. So when you think about Traveling Mailbox, think about a provider that gives you all kinds of virtual mailbox services for your online business, but also in terms of the good thing about Traveling Mailbox is that you have the ability to scale real fast and cheaply. In other words, they don't charge you, they charge you a certain price for one online business, but when you go from 1 to 2 or 3 or 4, the increment is not proportional to the number of increases. In other words, you have economies of scale. They make money, you make money as well. So it's pretty good. This provider is great when you have more than one online business to actually take care of. And they give you postal mail forwarding service and a digital mailbox address to scan and manage postal mail online in relation to your online business or businesses. In addition, they offer various service levels such as incoming envelope full page scans and recipients. So this is really good. And we love the fact that they are available 24/7. They have great customer service. They also provide secure storage for your mail and packages as they relate to your online businesses. Number 6, you have Anytime Mailbox. Our score 9.2 over 10. So when you think about Anytime Mailbox, think about one of the world's leading virtual mailbox services that really focus on online businesses. And so they offer standard features such as mail scanning, recycling, and shredding, and mail and package forwarding service as they relate to your online business or online businesses. And the cool thing is that their virtual mail service offers unlimited online and physical storage for 14 to 30 days. In addition to, they have some locations that have check deposit options as they relate to your online business. Again, whether you're selling physical products or digital products, not a problem. So Anytime Mailbox will take care of you. They have so many locations, not only in the States, but also internationally. So you're talking about 14 to 1,700 locations globally with real street addresses that you can use to receive mail. It's just fantastic. Number 5, you have Post Scan Mail. Our score 9.3 over 10. So when you think about Post Scan Mail, I want you to think about one of the best virtual mailbox services that allows you to view and manage your postal mail online as it relates to your online business. And email and push notifications are sent immediately, so you'll never miss a vital mail delivery again. See if you have like digital products, if you have physical products, and you need to be in a situation where you need to receive your mail promptly, then Post Scan Mail will take care of you. Not a problem. They actually offer unlimited cloud storage for all of your scanned content. You can also walk into their locations to pick up your packages. Not a problem. In addition, you can choose from hundreds of locations all over the United States and globally, such as California, Florida, England, Canada, Australia. Okay, so you have a lot of places. So this is really, really fantastic. And what we love here with Post Scan Mail is the flexibility and great customer service. Also, just fantastic. One thing I need to say before closing here on Post Scan Mail is that Post Scan Mail actually like if you receive mail you do not need or want, Post Scan Mail can shred it for you. They'll let you know, and they don't charge you as long as the volume is decent. Number 4, you have U.S. Global Mail. Our score 9.5 over 10. So U.S. Global Mail is an established company in the U.S. used by thousands of online business owners. And so they have great reputation. They actually will take care of you whether you're an expat or you are a national or living overseas, whatever. They'll work with you, not a problem. So U.S. Global Mail provides all kinds of users, especially online business owners, with a physical address in the United States, which can be used for shipping and mailing purposes. And this provider can integrate with various other apps and services such as Dropbox and Google Drive. All mail that relates to your online business is scanned in a secure facility, so users can require a signature upon delivery. So this is really fantastic. So when you think about this provider, think about a provider that gives you, in addition, a check depositing service, allowing you to deposit checks remotely by sending a scanned image to U.S. Global Mail. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about the best virtual mailbox services for online business. Number 3, you have Earth Class Mail. Our score 9.6 over 10. So when you think about Earth Class Mail, think about a provider that offers online postal mailboxes and mail forwarding services. So this service is suitable for businesses of all sizes looking for an alternative to the traditional post office box. And so Earth Class Mail offers mail scanning, forwarding, and they also they provide shredding features as well. And the cool thing is that they actually are really fast. The only problem that they have is that they're not in many locations yet. Right now, they are in about 19 to 25 states. But they are in some states they have a lot of volume in terms of mail. You have California, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Colorado, Nevada, New York, New Mexico, North Carolina, Oregon, Texas, and more. And so this is kind of cool. And Earth Class Mail has a great feature as it relates to your online business. We're talking about something called Check Stream. So Check Stream can automate your check deposit to save time and improve your workflow. Really fantastic. So after receiving the mail scanning, you can give them directions on how to deposit these checks. This is really great. So Earth Class Mail, fantastic. Number 2, you have USA to Me. Our score, 9.8 over 10. So USA to Me is a virtual mailbox service for online business that provides users with a physical shipping address that they can use to receive their mail and packages. This is really cool. And so their mailbox service is pretty simple to use. So you start by signing up for their service, and USA to Me will provide you with a physical address in the US that you can use for your online business. Not a problem. You can then use this physical mailing address to receive your mail, purchases, and packages. And the cool thing is USA to Me offers multiple addresses in different states and cities in the United States, and they can receive mail and packages on behalf of customers and forward them to their addresses anywhere in the world. This is really great. Number 1, the best of the best when it comes to the best virtual mailbox services for online business. You have iPostal One. Our score, 9.9 over 10. So iPostal One is a great virtual mailbox service for online business. They actually offer more addresses, provides more features, and they give a lot of value. They have plans that starts at about $10 monthly. This is really good. On top of that, iPostal One has a lot of locations globally. You're talking about 2,500 addresses in all 50 states and other countries. So this is not only the leading virtual mailbox provider worldwide, but also the leading virtual mailbox provider for online business. So this is really great. And what we love about iPostal One is that, and we have reviewed iPostal One thoroughly, this company is constantly expanding. So they're expanding their number of addresses, their number of locations. They're adding a lot of services to their offer. This is really good. And so their digital mailbox service shows real-time shipping prices for all U.S. locations, so you can pick the best option to meet your needs and budget. And so if you prefer to have an address at a prestigious office building or co-working space, iPostal One offers those too. It really depends on what you're looking for your online business. But as of now, iPostal One is the best virtual mailbox service for online business in our view. I want to give you a bonus. So if you're still here, I want to share with you 2 extra virtual mailbox services for online business that we have uncovered during our research. So number 1, you have Alliance Virtual Offices. Our score, 7.9 over 10. So this is a virtual business address that is strictly focuses on online businesses that sell physical products but also digital products. And the company is highly affordable. They have coverage they cover about 40 to 50 countries globally. And so you can choose your address in the US and Canada, in the UK, in UAE, in Netherlands, in Germany, and Mexico. So this is kind of cool. And Alliance provides recognized virtual business addresses, mail handling, mail forwarding, office space, meeting room space, live receptionist services, business phone numbers, and a virtual phone system for online businesses, but also businesses that are offline. That's not a problem. So this is really good. So Alliance Virtual Office, think of this provider as an all-in-one provider. Really, really fantastic. And so this is great for businesses that do not have a physical office and can benefit from services beyond a virtual mailbox. Another bonus provider I want to share with you is PO Box Zone. Our score, 7.5 over 10. So when you think about PO Box Zone, think about a provider that gives you virtual mailing addresses in Wyoming and Nevada for your online business. Both locations are physical addresses that can receive packages from all major carriers, and mail can be scanned and added to your online storage. And when we talk about online storage, we're talking about your Google Drive, for instance, your OneDrive, your Dropbox. So, you also have, and the cool thing is that junk mail can be removed, and actually all remaining envelopes are scanned and stored until you decide what to do with them. Mail forwarding can be automated at specific intervals. So this is kind of cool. So you can receive packages from all carriers: FedEx, USPS, UPS, and THL. You have a mobile app for iOS and Android that relates to your virtual mailbox service for your online business. So this is kind of cool. But remember that the addresses are only available in Nevada and Wyoming. So if you are an online business, if you have an online business and you need an address in Nevada and Wyoming, then go with this player, PO Box Zone. So let me give you an overview before we close to this conversation. The thing is that even if you have an online business, there might be some scenarios where you need a virtual mailbox service, because the whole thing is that you still need to have your mail delivered to a specific place. Even if you are running an internet-based business, right? Things like taxes, things like compliance requirements, things like sales tax receipts or sales tax notifications, everything that is regulatory, everything that is that has some kind of a regulatory attachment to it. You might need to receive a regular mail. So it's important to have a regular mailbox address, or you can have a virtual mailbox if you are traveling and you are running multiple online businesses. So when we talk about a virtual mailbox, what is it? So a virtual mailbox service is basically a service that can help you keep your postal mail and packages accessible and safe, offering more than just mail scanning services for your online business. So a virtual mailbox company will provide you with a real physical mailing address to receive incoming mail and packages for a monthly fee, and even offer mail handling, scan mail packages, managing your mail, and forwarding mail anywhere. Again, those mails as they relate to your online business. Okay, so this is kind of cool. So the cool thing is that when we talk about a virtual mailbox and a PO box, remember, a PO box, you're going to have to go there. A virtual mailbox, you don't have to go there. You can manage everything virtually. In other words, you can manage everything remotely. And what will happen here is that the company will give you access to a dashboard, and you log into that dashboard, and you have access to all of your information. You have mail that you received, and you can really provide instructions as to what to do with that mail. Either shred it, either forward it to you, either delete it, whatever. So you have the options here. You are in control. Okay, and remember that a virtual mailbox is better than a PO box because certain institutions or certain stakeholders, including banks and regulators, do not accept PO box addresses as a business address. Okay, they want you to have a real address, a physical address. So it's one of those things where it's just better to outsource the management of your mail to a third party. Before we close to this conversation, let me acquaint you with our method on this show when it comes to evaluating, categorizing, and listing the best virtual mailbox services for online business. Check this out right now. All right, let's quickly recap here. So number 1, iPostal 1, 9.9 over 10. Number 2, USA to Me, 9.8 over 10. Number 3, Earth Class Mail, 9.6. Number 4, US Global Mail, 9.5. Number 5, Postscan Mail, 9.3. Number 6, Anytime Mailbox, 9.2. Number 7, Traveling Mailbox, 9.1. Number 8, we have Sasquatch Mail, 8.9. Number 9, Physical Address, 8.8. Number 10, last but not the least, Virtual Post Mail, 8.6 over 10. And in the bonus category, we have Alliance Virtual Offices, 7.9 over 10, and PO Box Zone, 7.5 over 10. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.